Mangaluru police have taken into arrest one dancer actor by the name of Kishore Shetty and another person for alleged possession of drugs. Shetty has been arrested for possessing the hard drug which is MDMA. Mangaluru Commissioner has said the duo brought these drugs from Mumbai and were trying to sell it in the city. Police in Mangaluru will now investigate the drug connection to Mumbai and if there is any link or trail to complete the track. Nolan continues to be with us. So, Nolan, from the film industry, it seems there are now new names emerging as well, this time of a dancer actor. Who is he? Tell us more about him. Has he been controversial in the past, or this is the first time that this drug angle is connected to it?
Well, in fact, for all this while, we have been talking about what's happening in Bengaluru, but now this information comes from Mangaluru. Now, this is a choreographer. We are told that he's also acted in the movie ABCD. Now, apart from that, he's very popular over here. This is the first time that he's actually had some sort of major trouble with the police. And this is what we are getting to know, that Kishore, as well as his associate Akil Naushil, what we are told is that they have been consuming and also peddling drugs. So this is very important. There's a big difference between people who are just getting drugs, but here they started consuming and then went on to peddling drugs. They would source their drugs, Pooja, from Mumbai primarily and also from Bengaluru and sell them in Mangaluru. What we're also learning from the police, in fact, the police commissioner has spoken that there would be parties in Mangaluru. They've actually, they used to try and sell these drugs at the parties over there, organized parties, sell the drugs over there. As of now, the police arrested them this morning. The police is now trying to, they want to actually find out how exactly, who were their contacts in Mumbai especially, how were they sourcing the drugs, how were they bringing it over here, because at the airport, Pooja, they do check. So is this through the roadways? Is this
correct?
Do they have contacts in different districts that it's actually coming, or is it through the sea route? This is what the police are looking into now.
So clearly, if there is a bigger trail to it, and a very important point, how did it even reach the city of Mangaluru if it was tracked from Mumbai? Thank you so much, Nolan, for all the latest.